Hi, this is Colin Delaney with Education Management Solutions, and I'm here representing MediaShareIQ, which is a lecture capture and video management system specifically built for higher education, colleges and universities. It allows for either software or hardware-based classroom recording. It has tight integration with any major learning management system on the market, be it Canvas, Blackboard, Brightspace, or any of the other ones out there, and has a lot of great features and functionality in there as well, such as the ability to edit video directly from your learning management system, publish it to a course, easily share video, see very detailed analytics on the video from a tab within the video itself without having to go to a separate analytics tab for faculty. And so many other setups that make MediaShare an industry leader and a very cost-effective solution for colleges and universities. The website is www.mediashare.iq.com.